Rich Tehrani here with TMC. We're at CES 2013. We're in the Griffin Technology booth. I'm speaking with Jackie Ballinger. Jackie, welcome to the show.
Yes, thank you.
So what are you guys showing?
We have an entire array of new accessories. Everything has launched here at CES, so a lot of new product lines that I can kind of walk you through and give you an idea of the fun, exciting stuff we have.
Very cool. It's a packed booth. This will be fun.
Very packed. We're going to have to kind of elbow our way through here, but it'll be good.
All right, you lead.
Okay, first one here. We're right in front of here. This is the wood tones. These are a follow-up to our wood tones in-ear buds. These are the over-the-ear headphones made with real wood. So very high quality premium headphones. You've got a leather headband, 50 millimeter drivers, detachable cable here. Just really high quality. They feel amazing. They're like pillows on your ears. And these just launched here this week for $100.
Oh, very cool. It's a reasonable price point.
Yes, yes, especially for the sound and the comfort. So,
excellent. What's next?
We can move on here. Over here we have our audio line. This is our Studio Connect. This is an existing product of ours. It's a music creation one. So we've got the GarageBand app going here, but we are very excited to announce that Studio Connect now has the Lightning adapter. So this is the industry's first Lightning adapter for a music accessory. So a lot of people out there that have the new devices looking for the connection, which has been more difficult. So Studio Connect actually lets you plug in on the back here. You've got 1/4 inch, MIDI in and out. Essentially you can plug in guitars, MIDI keyboards, everything you would need to create an entire song on an iPad. So it's like a portable studio.
Excellent.
Thank you. Okay, and we can move on here. This area is very popular over here. This is our business solutions section. So this is kind of a new area for Griffin, providing, we've always been very consumer oriented, and we now have an entire new segment of all the businesses and educational systems that are integrating iPads into their enterprises. So Griffin's new department is business solutions. That's all over here. We announced the kiosk retail here this year at CES, and it is an iPad stand, our existing kiosk. It has a built-in magnetic card reader. So we can see right here, come through here, so excuse us. So this is the kiosk retail. We've got an iPad enclosed inside here. You've got a steel armature here that's securing it to the countertop, and we've got the ShopKeep app running right here, which is a very popular point of sale system for merchants all over the United States. We partnered with ShopKeep for this announcement here at CES, and you can see that running here. We run the card right through there, and we actually have the ShopKeep's Jason right here. I'm sorry to bring it.
No problem.
Hi, Jason.
Hi, I'm the CEO of ShopKeep.
So tell me a little bit about what we're looking at.
So ShopKeep is a cloud-based point-of-sale system. I was a retailer myself, and my frustrations with point-of-sale software led me to build this iPad and cloud-based point-of-sale system. And working with Griffin is awesome because it's hard to get the right hardware and the solid hardware that keeps the point of sale running properly, so that you don't have any problems with it. We just do the software, but we're looking for the best vendors in the hardware space, and so this is a really exciting thing, and we're really excited to launch this with Griffin very soon. So.
Thank you so much.
No problem, thanks.
Thanks, Jason.
So what's next?
We can head on over here. We've got our touch control section. This is more of the toy side of the booth. A lot of fun stuff going on over here. We have an entire array of touch control toys. So we have our Hilo TC Assault, which actually shoots missiles, kind of fun, and our Moto TC Monster Truck and Moto TC Racer. These are all touch controlled through iOS and Android, and you can do everything on the screen. You run the app on the phone, and it controls the devices.
Bluetooth?
Yes, the Monster Truck is Bluetooth. The other ones are app enabled, so it's through the app. It sends an infrared signal to the device through the flight deck controller, which you have right here. So this is infrared being transmitted from the device to the helicopter.
So basically through the headset jack to infrared.
That's correct.
Very cool. My daughter fell in love with that car, by the way.
Really? The Racer or the big?
The small one. I think she sent me an email on it. She's 9, so she's she was very excited when she saw that. So I think that's a really cool thing to have on the desk.
Yeah.
Let off some steam in between meetings.
Yes, absolutely. And it's so cute. The Racer one is really fast. I mean, it just zips around like crazy. And we've actually got the helicopter one running right here.
Very cool. So what else? What else do we?
Okay, we can walk over here. This is our youth section here.
I think I may have just crushed a Tonka truck. That's not good. Oh no! Look at that. That thing's reliable.
So this is our youth section here. We've got the, we may want to come back to this one. This is the Crayola light marker. There we go. See if we can get in here. So we've got like a photo booth. It's actually an old school phone booth set up because this is the Crayola light marker. It's a really fun kind of play in the dark activity. So the light marker consists of a digital stylus. This is the light marker itself, and then there is a free app that is on the iPad that the app actually helps detect the movements I'm making. So it's going to be like a magic wand. Turn it on here, and you see the red dot on the screen? I'm actually going to draw in, that's clip art. So we've got some clip art on. Let me go back to the crayons. You can go through, pick from all the various colored crayons, grab that color. And so by waving it in the air, I can actually draw on the screen. So it's kind of like a little magic wand for kids to way for them to play on the iPad. And the way this is actually happening is the light from the light marker is being detected by the front-facing camera on the iPad. So it detects the movements that I'm making and represents them on the screen.
Now, is it also pressure sensitive in terms of, can you somehow transmit pressing hard?
That does not, no, it's not pressure sensitive. You press this button and that kind of enters in, when you want to create the drawing, you press the button in, and when you lift up, it'll stop drawing. But there's no pressure in between. It's on.
Very cool.
On and off. And this is only $30. It's going to be available this spring.
And it just uses the camera, so no additional products to buy?
Nope, absolutely. And over here, we can go, we've got a lot of other cute youth-oriented ones over here. Gosh, it's a little bit crowded, but you can kind of see we have a lot of various cases. The kazoo cases over there are really cute. They're zoo animals, pandas and elephants and penguins and monkeys. Those are very popular actually amongst adults and kids, which we originally intended those for kids, but adults really enjoy them too. I think they're playful.
Everyone likes animals.
It's true. And then lastly over here, the Nickelodeon partnership. So we announced a partnership with Nickelodeon this week, and we've got the SpongeBob SquarePants, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, and Dora the Explorer. So these are the first cases in the partnership, but we've got a lot of fun accessories coming out with them as well.
Very cool. I'm a huge SpongeBob fan, so immediately looked at those cases. Very nice.
Yeah, absolutely. SpongeBob is definitely not just a young thing. It's young adults. Everybody loves SpongeBob.
Yeah, I consider myself in the young adult category.
So I think that's pretty much the booth. So, I totally forgot. Right behind you, I just noticed Survivor. Definitely have to catch Survivor. This is Survivor is a very popular brand for us. Our military spec case, the Survivor, did phenomenally well, and so we're following up with the Survivor Plus Catalyst waterproof case, which you can see the dunk tank we have over here. We've got the case underwater. It's a waterproof case. It's $79.99. It's going to be available this spring, and we are really excited about this one. This is definitely something everybody needs at some point. You drop your phone in the water once, and you will swear to never have that happen again.
Absolutely. Now, what about rechargeable cases? Is that a big area for you guys?
We do have a rechargeable case. We don't have any here on the booth, but that's certainly an area of growth, for us to kind of look into, especially with the Lightning connector. At this point, we don't have anything here on the booth.
Yeah, that seems like a big niche right now that needs filling.
Absolutely, yeah. The Lightning, changing over to Lightning has been a huge shift for the entire industry this year. So everybody's kind of figuring out which products we want to do with Lightning and making it's a lot of fun new products to come up with.
Excellent. Thanks for your time.
Yes, thank you.